Welcome to Ignited Max YouTube channel. At this video we are going to learn the matrix multiplication. If the matrix A contains of m cross n, in which m determines the row and n determines the column, and B matrix contains of m cross n, in which m determines the row and n determines the column, if the matrix A, the n value is equal to matrix B of m value, then only we can do the matrix multiplication. If it's not equal, then we can't proceed with the matrix multiplication. Doing the matrix multiplication, two types of matrix will be given. For example, the A matrix and B matrix will be given with the order. Now we need to find the matrix multiplication, that is the AB. First question may occur, how to do the matrix multiplication? Second doubt will occur, what will be the order after doing the multiplication? First, let's find the order of the matrix multiplication, and next we will do the matrix multiplication. I took the same example of 2 cross 3 and 3 cross 2. For the A matrix, the number of columns, that is 3, is equal to the B matrix of number of rows, that is 3. Then only we can do the matrix multiplication. Now, how to do matrix multiplication, regarding that I will show it in the handwritten note step by step. Some important steps at the matrix multiplication. Now the A matrix are given and the B matrix are given, and we need to find the AB matrix. So first step is we need to write down the order of the matrix given. So for the A matrix, the order is 2 cross 2, and for B matrix the order is 2 cross 3. Now the first doubt, whether we can do the matrix multiplication with this order. So for that I brought something. If A matrix of column, if A matrix the column value, now you can see the column value of the A matrix is 2. Okay, I have written over here 2 is equal to B matrix of row. B matrix of row, the value is 2. So if it's equal, then we can find A. We can say that we can find the matrix multiplication at this example. Now the second step that we need to know, after doing the matrix multiplication, what will be the order? Okay, for that purpose I've got, now A matrix of row and B matrix of column will be the order of my AB matrix. You can even check it over here. A matrix of row and B matrix of column is the order of the AB matrix. Now I brought one example for you so that the concept will be clear more easily. Now at this example, the A matrix contains of 3 cross 1 order and the B matrix contains of 1 cross 3. Now we need to find the AB matrix. Now we need to check that whether we can do the matrix multiplication or not. For that purpose we need to use this rule. A matrix of column value, A matrix of column value, that is 1. For example 2, okay, this is for example 1, this is for example 2. A matrix of column value, that is 1, is equal to B matrix of column row value. Yeah, it's equal. Then we can find the AB matrix. Okay, after finding the AB matrix, I will get the order of A matrix of row and B matrix of column. So at last I got the order as 3 cross 3. 50% of the work is complete, that is to find the order of the matrix multiplication. Now let's do the matrix multiplication. Okay, now the A and B matrix are given and we need to find the AB. Now you can note it. The A matrix contains of 3 cross 3 order and the B matrix contains of 3 cross 2 order. So by A matrix of the column is equal to B matrix of row, yes, it's equal to 3. So I can do the matrix multiplication. Now after doing the matrix multiplication, after finding the matrix multiplication, I will get the order as 3 cross 2. Okay, now let's do the matrix multiplication. First I have written the AB matrix over here, A and B matrix. Now one small tip or small rule I am going to say it over here so that the concept will be clear. My A matrix and this is my B matrix. So while doing the matrix multiplication, A matrix of the first row will be multiplied by B matrix of the first column. Like A matrix of first row is 1. is multiplied by B matrix of first column. That first element is 2. Now the second element, A matrix of first row and second element is 0, 0, and B matrix of first column of second element, that is the -1. A matrix of first row of third element is 1, and B matrix of first column and the third element is 0. So after doing the multiplication of it, in place of each and every element, this is my first element, in place of first element and second element, in between I need to put it plus positive, and second and third element also I need to take the positive sign. This is how we are doing the matrix multiplication. This for I have done only for one row, first row and first column. Rest all the elements also the same procedure. Still I am going to discuss about it. Before doing it, that's why I have written this small tip for you, so that the concept will be clear more easily. First, A means A matrix, row. A matrix of row will be multiplied by B matrix of column. I have written in the -1 form so that you can understand, like horizontal line, vertical line, row, column. That's why I have written. So A matrix of the row value will be multiplied by B matrix of the column. You can understand in this way also, it may find very easy. Now the same thing I have written over here. I have already small thing to mention it. This is my row 1, row 2 and row 3. This is my column 1 and column 2. Okay, now for taking this element, I have multiplied with my first row and first column. So first row and first column, my elements are present. Now for taking over here, row 1 and column 2, row 1 and column 2, I need to take it. For row 1, first element is 1 and I need to multiply it with my column 2 of the first element. So 1 into -2. Yeah, I have written over here. And the second element of row 1 should be multiplied with my column 2 of the second element, that is 0 into 1. So I have written over here. Now at the row 1, third element I need to take it, and column 2 also third element, that is the 1 dot 3. Okay, the same procedure is applied at the R2 and R3. While taking the R2 and the C1 element, you need to take the row 2 at the A matrix and B matrix of the column 1. Like this we need to take it. I am going to discuss about the row 2 value. So row 2 and column 1. So row matrix of the row of the A matrix and C at the C1 at the B matrix. So row 2 and column 1. 2 into 2, 2 into 2 plus 3 into -1, 3 into -1 plus 0 into 0. This is how I completed over here. Now while taking over here, row 2 of the A matrix and column 2 of the B matrix, I need to multiply. Row 2 of the A matrix and column 2 of the B matrix. So 2 into -2, 2 into -2 plus 3 into 1, 3 into 1, 0 into 3 plus 0 into 3. This is how we are completed with my first row and second row. Now let's move to the third row. So third row is respective with the third row and column 1. So third row with column 1. 0 into 2, 0 into 2. 4 into -1, 4 into -1. 5 into 0, 5 into 0. Now over here, row 3 and column 2. Row 3 and column 2. 0 into -2, 0 into -2. 4 into 1, 4 into 1. 5 into 3, 5 into 3. Doing the multiplication, the calculation part is only left over. So 2 into 1, 2. 0 into -1 is 0 and 1 into 0 is 0. 2 into 2, 4 plus 3 into -1 is -3 plus 0 into 0, 0. 2 into 0, 0 plus into -4, -4. 5 into 0, 0. The same procedure is applied over here. Now after doing it, the calculation, like 2 minus 0 plus 0 is 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. 0 minus 4 plus 0 is -1. The same thing is applied over here. Now this is only that we are doing with the matrix multiplication, and afterwards you will check the order. You will get this same 3 rows, so 3 rows and 2 columns, and at last I got the order as 3 cross. So this is what we have done earlier. So this is how we are doing the matrix multiplication with the row, column, order. So with the help of this all things only we can do the matrix multiplication. I hope the example is clear. In part to note it over here. Now at every example you can't see A, B only. You can see A, C, A, D, anything. So while remembering this step, not remember like A, B over here. You can remember as first matrix and second matrix, in which you can apply it each and every time. First matrix of row should be multiplied with my second matrix of the column. This what I have applied for over here. First, even with the other ordered example also, you can apply the same tip, same trick, so that you can find it very easy with this trick. I hope you like this Ignited Max YouTube channel, then don't forget to subscribe it.